Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to look at the several methods of outputting messages in the command line. In our previous video we saw how we could print hello world from our program using the print line, which is one of the methods of printing out in Java. We have several methods of the print command, and today we are going to take a look at the most used ones, commonly used methods. So we'll start with print line. What print line does is it outputs your message and it moves the cursor to the next line. Let's say you wanted to print this hello world and they are here on the same line. You will use system out print without the ln, which tells the cursor to move to the next line after outputting your message. So in this case we'll type in our message here. This will go in the same line. System out print as this. So what the output of this would be hello world on a separate line. The cursor will move to the next, which will print they are here. Coming to this statement, we'll have this would go in the same line. In the same line with as this. Let's run it and see. As you can see from our output, just like I said, hello world is on a separate line. Cursor move to the next line to print they are here. Coming to the third statement, which is this will go in the same line. Outputted it, but the cursor didn't move to the next line. And as this, which is the last statement we wrote in our program, outputted on the same line as the previous statement to it. That's for the second method of displaying messages in Java. The next would be the formatted statement, that is, we'll be using the printf, which is written as the system out printf. The F here stands for formatted, that is, it is used to print out formatted text. So for us to use the printf, we require some special characters. One of them is %s, which is used to print out string, and we'll have %d, used to print out numbers. So when you write this, we need to substitute in this. Let's say, okay, hey, and 1, 2, 3. So what this line means is we want to print a formatted text. That is, it will contain a string and it will contain a number. So hey is a string that will go here. %d represents this number. So let's run and see. As you can see, we have hey 1 2 3 1 2 4 outputted as expected. Now there are other escape sequences. That is, we'll have escape sequences like /n, which is for new line, /t, which is for tab, and so on. I'll be including a file that contains some of the escape sequences. So now let's say we wanted to input tab spacing between hey and 1 2 3. We simply put the escape sequence and a T. This would give us a tab spacing between hey and 1 2 3. Let's check it out. You can see. Let me add another tab, save and run. Notice how the space increased. The spaces in between this increased. Another important escape sequence is the double backward slash. What this does is it imputes a single slash. That is, it will add a slash between hey and 1 2 3, 1 2 4 rather. Let's run and see. See? Hey /1 2 4 as expected. So that'll be all for the various methods of printing out using Java.